個係我哋一齊斬完啲樹之後咧蒸餾出嚟嘅油嚟㗎。見唔見到其實係好清澈，但係我哋都要用呢個濾紙嚟去過濾啦。咁因為確保咧當中嗰啲油咧係可以隔晒啲雜質等等。咁佢哋咧就話咧，當呢一個嘅油咧擺喺陽光底下，跟住你合埋眼睛睇咧，係可能會見到北極光。我依家就試下啦。咁我就將嗰個油咧擺喺陽光下面啦。哇！唔好再抬頭啦！哇！嗱，原來咁樣咧，嗱，我唔使喐嘅，嗰個 jar 我唔使喐，咁咧佢就透過呢個太陽折射到咧我嘅眼簾嘅底下咧，我就見到綠色嘅北極光。佢係點樣咧？佢係類似係，我好似琴晚睇嗰個咁啊，個北極光係一塊㗎。哇！跟住係啦，如果咧你喐咗少少油嘅話，咁佢咧嗰個能量咧就好似被佢震動咁樣，哇！有啲黃色啦，哇！即係難以想像得到你可以咁樣睇到喎。我今次見到黃色，唔係綠色，係啊，綠色上面有少少紅色。咁有啲朋友仔就話見到紫色，我就睇唔到紫色住。哇！呢個就太勁啦，個陽光，即係原來係咁樣睇得到喎。咁唔知我哋咧，其實本身我哋自己嗰啲油咧，一支支咧係咪可以睇得到？如果係咧，我諗要咁大咧，我諗要差唔多50支嘅精油，我先倒晒落去，咁就睇得到啦。好 pure.
A balanced soil, and even the bugs in the soil are really important too. And we actually got a guy in town here that has a place at the dump that basically takes all the paper waste, and those, I think in 3 months, those worms, what was it, like 15 tons of garbage? In 3 months, those worms ate and turned into soil.
Products and no products.
Yeah.
And compost, yeah.
It's ridiculous how well worms, I don't know how many he had, but it's the same thing in Ecuador, is that all their compost, is all those ylang-ylang flowers that have already been distilled, had all that beautiful oil pulled out, they toss in their vermiculture tent or building. I can't.
The worm house.
Yeah, the worm house, that's what they call it. And where they got big concrete troughs, and they basically pile in all their wood or their waste, throw in a bunch of worms, and those worms eat it all and poop out phenomenal soil.
Wow.
Just
That's amazing.
yeah. So that's one way that they can use their waste products and turn it back into something really good. But putting those back into the ground, and then also the bugs in the soil. Okay, first thing is to test the bricks. So every morning I'd go out and I'd find some yarrow out in the field, cut it down, and bring it into this little contraption right here that we built. So we would fill this little chamber up with plant material, stick it on top of the little press here, or the jack, and then lift this up and basically squeeze it. And I've got a little hole right here that some of the juice or the liquid can come out. So we'll take a little pipette or a little syringe, squeeze that up, and put it on top of this little blue prism right here. And what this does is it reflects the light and gives you a delineated line. We do it once in the morning, once in the afternoon. So Dan said, okay, well, when it gets up to 10, that's when your harvest time is.
Yeah.
There is exactly 0%.
終於我可以親眼見到 GC System 呢一部機係點樣運作啦。
首先，佢打開個樽聞下我哋所蒸餾出嚟嘅油，然後佢就可以分析到係好油定係唔好嘅油先。然之後佢就會用針管將佢擺落兩個嘅小小嘅透明樽度，然後將佢封實佢，貼好咗個記號喺玻璃樽上面。
Yeah, I just drew half a milliliter of your oil for each vial. It's quite a bit more than what I need, but if I have to go back and retest, it's still available, and I can keep it for up to a couple months in here. That half milliliter in here, I could test that probably between 1,500 and 2,000 times. This GC requires so small of a sample you can't even see it with your eye, so you use very, very little of it. Okay, so we got that. I just have to go and input our information into the computer. We're actually very lucky this is working right now. So the first thing the tower is going to do is going to rinse the syringes out, make sure there's no last sample is left in it. It's going to take a couple of samples of your oil and wash the vial and make sure there's nothing but your oil in the syringe. Draw this in, and you had to practice a lot because you have to do it the same way every time, otherwise it throws your retention times off. So you have to be quite tricky. You have to be really good at it. So your results on those are going to be accurate.
頭先咧有個朋友仔咧就睇到啦，黑雲杉裡面咧就有一個分子 camphor。咁 camphor 咧其實就係樟腦，咁樟腦咧其實有好多人咧就係有呢個蠶豆症啦，G6PD， 咁咧都話要唔可以用 camphor 嘅呢有含有 camphor 嘅任何嘅嘢啦，精油啊、產品啊咁樣，咁但係咧點解有好多嘅 G6PD 啦，包括阿 Joanne 啦，全家咧都係有蠶豆症嘅，佢都用所有嘅 Young Living 嘅產品都冇問題咧，就係因為其實幾年前咧香港衛生署咧都有講過㗎啦，就係原來天然嘅樟腦咧係冇問題，亦都同時間其實咧頭先講咗少少關於冬青嗰個故仔啦，其實個原理都係一樣，因為咧當你有完全嘅精油分子喺嗰個產品嗰度嘅時候咧，佢有其他嘅分子咧係可以中和到嗰個樟腦嘅毒性。咁如果係人工嘅 camphor 嘅樟腦咧，咁就變咗係有毒咯，即係對蠶豆症嘅朋友仔。咁所以點解天然嘅樟腦又 OK， 但係人工嘅樟腦又唔 OK， 就係咁解。所以點解我哋成日話我哋要盡量用天然嘅嘢、天然嘅產品就係咁解啦。因為人工做嘅嘢真係會影響我哋嘅身體，同埋係有毒性咯，對我哋嘅身體。咁另外後面咧就係呢一個嘅 GC 嘅儀器啦。咁其實佢咧呢個咧就係有一個針喺裏面咧，就係去萃取咧嗰個嘅精油嗰個嘅即係 sample 啊。咁跟住咧就係 run 落去有一個管嘅，咁嗰個管咧就係銅絲咁樣，好似頭髮咁幼喺裏面，咁係圓形咁樣走嘅，咁一路好長好長。咁市面上大部分出邊嘅 GC 咧係講緊30米左右咁長嘅啫，但係Young Living 咧，佢個要求咧係要去到50至60米咁長。個原因就係頭先講噶啦，因為佢要睇到更加多完全嘅分子喺裏面嘛，所以咧就要擺咁多，即係就要用咁長嘅管喺裏面咯。咁然後就等佢出嚟嗰個result 啦。我哋而家咧個報告 GC 嘅報告咧就搞掂㗎咯喎，咁咧有請 Wes， 噔噔噔， 哦，呢度咧就寫住 inspect，即係咧我哋所收割嘅黑雲杉嘅精油咧係 good 嘅，耶！
我哋又嚟到蒸餾廠啦，因為我哋要最後一個步驟就係要去做入精油落翻去嗰個樽度。咁呢個油咧，咁我哋就要入滿去啦。咁呢個就係北極光黑雲杉啦嘅精油啦。咁咧，我哋就入到去邊個位咧？就係入到去呢個 bottle 嘅 shoulder 嘅位啦。咁差唔多啦，入好啦，大概撳3下咁樣啦，咁就入好啦。咁我哋就將呢個膠塞咧就擺落去，跟住咧扭上去。聽唔聽到咔聲嘅話，就真係代表 OK 啦。咁我而家做第二支啦。呢個係好 natural 嘅一個 flavor。好，又係啦。北極光黑雲杉咧就係一啲寒冷嘅天氣啦，同埋嚴峻嘅天氣嗰度生長，所以你搽咗之後咧，嗰個人嗰個心神咧都會定一啲，因為你無論遇到極端同埋極端嘅情況底下咧，你即係佢哋都能夠生長嘅時候，咁你可想而知呢一個嘅油嗰個嘅能量係幾大咧？佢同埋每一日啊，佢哋都係吸緊呢個北極光嘅能量。好似頭先今朝我哋嘅時候咧，我哋咪睇嗰個油合埋隻眼嘅時候都見到北極光嘅。你話嗰個能量幾大咧？所以呢個嘅油就好大嘅能量啦。我哋依家就會玩呢兩部車啊！Yeah, go go! Go! 今日係我哋負責嘢食，我哋煮翻晒1至4日煮嗰啲嘢食 mix 埋一齊。
一個 review，一個 recap
係
menu 嚟。
recap menu 呀。影下先。夜晚我哋一齊喺度搽 raindrop， 仲一齊傾偈，好開心啊！今日好早起身，我哋6點就起咗身啦。唔係，好似6點半啊，因為實在太早都唔記得咗啦。我哋今日係 last day 喺呢個房度住嘅，我哋今日就要走啦。我哋應該就要搭4個鐘頭左右嘅車，因為今日好大雪，司機會開慢少少，佢都驚即係有啲路咧比較崎嶇咁，所以就要開慢少少咁樣。
See you next time. See you. Perfect.
好靚嘅日出啊！望下，呢個就係我哋住嘅屋啦，出邊嘅井啦，呢度有個井啦，呢度就係 BBQ 嘅位啦，呢度就係廚房，呢度入邊就係一個 area， 再入邊後面咧就係房，同埋下面 basement 都係房。走啦！點啊？有嘢！
If I can get my passport, I'll be there.
Yeah, bye.
See you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. 呢個唔使講住。好靚嘅日出啊！我哋又翻到嚟我哋嘅起始點 Vivi 嘅地方。
第一個起始，第一個屙尿嘅。
又喺呢度，我哋即將要寄 postcard 啦，睇下啲朋友仔會唔會收到先。
仲有一陣就到機場，但係我哋仲有好多時間，所以我哋就嚟咗呢度食嘢，竟然係食 A&W。